I got...
Are you serious? Hot Springs. He just ran me.
At approximately 12:44 p.m. on May 19, 2023, the Arkansas State Police reported a high-stakes encounter near Delight. Trooper Seth Smedley, Unit K-21, initiated a stop on a 1996 Ford F-150 for expired tags on Highway 26. The situation ignited when the driver, possessing a search waiver and no license, refused to exit. In a desperate bid for freedom, the suspect reverse-rammed Smedley S-Cruiser, forcing the trooper to discharge his firearm as the pickup barreled away.
Mark Road. It's on 26. Turn to Harrison Chapel. We're in Bull Boys towing. Hey!
Easy way for me to get to it. 21, so they're trying to help it. I've been direct with them when they went. Fire tickle is 10-4 right now. I don't have any further right now. Still going on unit, correct?
The high-speed pursuit shredded through off-road terrain, with the suspect reaching lethal speeds to evade capture. Smedley maintained visual contact through dense timber and rural trails, navigating a treacherous landscape. After a grueling 20-minute chase, Smedley executed a precision pit maneuver at the intersection of Highway 26 and Hare Lane. The tactical strike slammed the truck into a halt, ending the reckless dashcam recorded chaos.
Notify back one.
Still tailing him.
Okay, if they come out on Bill Creek, that's going to be between County Gap Road and Dawes Road.
Turn left on 26, eastbound towards Antoine.
You're almost to Richardson Road, 890.
Took off on foot. Take this
up! What did I tell you?
Back up! Back up!
Stop! Do you want
back up?
to go anywhere?
Back up!
Going?
Back up!
Do you want it?
Back up now! Back up!
It's okay, because your ass is done!
Back up!
I got you stuck in my motherfucking house! Hey!
Back up!
Listen to me!
Hey! Back up!
You shut the fuck up, motherfucker! Shut the fucking mouth, you ugly motherfucker! Huh? Stop! Shut the fuck up!
I can't get the fuck
out! No! Stop it! He needs to get out of here! He needs to get out of here! I will not! I will talk! I will go and arrest him! You don't know what's going on! He is not had medication! I ain't gotta get out of here! This is my mother-in-law's property! Come on! And you had no business trying to get you out of that fucking truck! He shot me in the back of the neck! Come on!
Amos is coming out to check you out.
Well, we don't...
Hot Springs. Make sure Amos is coming to check him out.
He's showing a little bleeding from his neck, but doesn't speed it. It doesn't expect to have an entrance wound.
The suspect was identified as 46-year-old Joseph Van Camp. Following the crash, Van Camp was taken into custody without further injury and transported for medical clearance. Investigators recovered the battered Ford and confirmed Van Camp's extensive history of evasion. He was booked into the Pike County Detention Center on multiple felony counts, including aggravated assault upon an officer and felony fleeing. At approximately 10:45 p.m. on Tuesday, April 28, 2026, the Arkansas State Police reported a suspicious vehicle on Highway 29. Trooper Colvin flagged a tan Mercury Grand Marquis near the local Shell station. Danger levels spiked when a plate check 780ZT revealed the tags belonged to a black Chevy Sonic. With unconfirmed insurance and the driver frequently moving in the shadows of the cabin, the routine stop quickly ignited into a volatile high-speed pursuit.
We just turned west on East 9th, the 3rd and Hazel.
Try to TDI on it.
67 north south. We just turned on Elm Street, north on Elm.
North on Elm.
Through the tracks on 2nd, coming up to Hervey. North, we're going north on Hervey.
Trooper Colvin initiated contact as the suspect barreled away from the gas station parking lot. The Mercury slammed through gears, reaching speeds of 95 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone, recklessly weaving through traffic. Refusing to yield, the driver shredded tires against the asphalt to evade capture. The chase reached a violent climax when Colvin executed a precision pit maneuver. The sedan spun out of control and slammed into a ditch. "Get out of the car! Hands up!" Colvin barked as backup swarmed the wreckage.
Let's try to see the island that's on country road if we can.
I'm trying to get up to. He's in the middle of the road, blocking me getting around him.
He wrecked out in the curve. Hempstead 1002 is our call.
The suspect was identified as 24-year-old Kaiwan Washington. While he was treated for minor injuries, a search of the vehicle uncovered an illegal firearm and drug paraphernalia. Washington was processed for fleeing, reckless driving, and possession. He is currently being held at the Hempstead County Detention Center awaiting trial. This dashcam footage serves as a stark reminder of how quickly a simple tag violation can turn into a deadly police chase. At approximately 2:15 p.m. on April 13, 2026, the Dayton Police Department reported a visual on a black sedan linked to a violent homicide. While patrolling near the intersection of Main and 3rd, officers flagged the vehicle's tags, signaling an immediate high-stakes threat. The driver, armed and desperate, ignited a high-speed pursuit through dense residential blocks.
Through Stanley, heading up towards Leo. Occupied with the wife and the female in the front seat. The boys will be the driver.
The lead officer initiated contact as the suspect barreled through a school zone at 75 miles per hour in a 35 miles per hour limit. Refusing to yield, the sedan slammed through intersections, narrowly missing pedestrians. Officers executed a precision pit maneuver, sending the vehicle into a violent spin before it shredded a utility pole. "Hands up! Get out of the car now!" Police screamed as they swarmed the wreckage.
Take over for you, situation, man. You coming south, there's a street at Hudson. We're going to be turning westbound on Hudson. Thank you.
He's going to lose it here. His car damage. He's going to attempt to pit.
Keep your hands up. We're getting the driver out now. Taking your hands. Your hands too up. Get out. Get out.
Ow! Hey, you just broke my arm! You just broke my arm! Oh, it's dislocated! Oh my God, my arm's broke! My arm's broke! My arm is broke!
The suspect was identified as 47-year-old Marcus Vance. Inside the mangled sedan, investigators recovered a loaded 9mm handgun and several ounces of methamphetamine. Following the impact, Vance received a medical evaluation and was subsequently cleared for booking. He now faces first-degree murder and felony fleeing charges at the Montgomery County Jail, ending this dangerous high-speed pursuit.
Give her a... Did you turn to Clark Road and back westbound?
At approximately 1:15 p.m. on May 7, 2024, the Whitehall police reported a high-speed pursuit triggered by a stolen vehicle. Flagged by flock cameras, the suspects were linked to a violent aggravated robbery. This dangerous dashcam footage tracks the chaos as the car barreled through southwest Franklin County, ignoring every traffic law near Climb and River Bend roads.
631 up to 640.
Thank you.
Here for 604 here as well.
604 Channel 3.
I'm just looking southbound Georgesville. So he's coming up to area of Walmart. Yes, they come to get the I just turned back eastbound on Climb from Georgesville, eastbound Climb. Eastbound Climb Road. Yeah, northbound. Just like you, they got 6 of them at high school. Right, he's going to be inside of this shopping mall behind the south on Douglas.
Whitehall units initiated contact, but the teens ignited a frantic chase, eventually hijacking a second vehicle. This high-speed pursuit saw speeds shredding the limit as the stolen Hyundai slammed head-on into a cruiser. Officers shouted, "Get out of the car!" But the suspects refused. Finally, a perfectly executed pit maneuver forced the vehicle into a tree, ending the threat instantly.
631, 638, Pat.
Are they agree at all in this place?
Climb in Riverbend.
Your job reading the entranceway to the football stadium. Your left, Mount Street, or southbound.
Get out, get out.
Back up that
The suspects were taken into custody following the crash, with one individual transported to a local hospital in stable condition. Investigation into the suspects revealed significant criminal histories involving prior vehicle thefts. Recovered evidence from the scene linked the group directly to the initial violent robbery. Facing multiple felony charges for the robbery and the high-speed pursuit, the individuals were processed and held in juvenile detention. This police chase highlights the extreme dangers posed to the community and officers when stolen vehicle cases escalate into violent encounters on public roads.